Hey guys, how's it going? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and today is a pretty exciting video. I'm going to show you, if you sell product, I'm going to show you how to sell out on Facebook and be like a power seller. That way you're never really sitting on any of your inventory, okay? So most businesses do not know what they need to do or how to do it, how to really use Facebook in the right way to really sell out. So the three things I'm going to talk about today is the Facebook Marketplace, Facebook stores, and Instagram stores. And what happens when businesses open online? They dramatically increase their reach. They can get clients outside of their local area. They build stronger relationships, and they can accommodate current customers that still want to buy from them. So here we go with Facebook Marketplace. And why Facebook Marketplace? Well, Facebook Marketplace is in 70 countries and is used by 800 million people monthly. So that means there are a ton of people potentially that will be able to see what you want to sell. And I mean, as we all know, with the Facebook Marketplace, there's house rentals, there's vehicle sales, there's so many categories that when you go in and want to buy something, there's gaming categories, there's just clothing, there's just all types of things, right? Facebook Marketplace is huge for any business. So if you're not selling your things on Facebook Marketplace, you're really missing out, and you should be putting everything you have on there, okay? And then Facebook stores. This is fantastic for any local business that is selling any type of product, okay? So breaking news, Facebook and Instagram roll out shops, turning businesses' profiles into storefronts, allowing you to tag your products in photos, videos, and stories, and turn any of your posts into an opportunity to shop. This is massive. So Facebook stores were launched to help small businesses to sell things directly through their page. It has a built-in functionality to accept payments through their page, and it's consistent through all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So this is what Mark Zuckerberg said. The reason he created this is because he wanted to expand e-commerce would be important to begin rebuilding the economy while the pandemic continues. If you can't physically open your store or restaurant, you can still take orders online and ship them to people. This is how massive this is. And he also said we are seeing a lot of small businesses that never had online businesses get online for the first time. So Facebook Shops was recently introduced to kind of ease the disruption caused by COVID-19 pandemic. It allows that business to showcase your products on a Facebook page and Instagram profile in a way that offers a native shopping experience. So this one, for example, I found, it's a lady selling a kit to make these cookies right here, okay? So in her business page, she created the shop. So people can go on here and shop and buy her little kit. And there's a little button that says shop now. Every business, if you're selling something, should have the shop now button on there, okay? Here's another page. This person, the reason I put this one up is because they did it the wrong way. So they basically they're selling these Christmas cookie things, but they're sending their customers, it says, if you want to order, click to our website. Well, most people don't want to click to a third-party app or anything like that. Go to a third-party website. Why wouldn't you have the Shop Now button on there and let people buy directly from Facebook? Okay, so that's how powerful that is. So what is the better solution? Set up a Facebook shop. You can collect orders online, enable online checkout, then your team gets notified, and then you guys just fulfill the order. There's no more missed calls, and there's no more frustrated customers for you. So here's an example of Instagram store. So what's cool is let's go with this one, for example. They're trying to sell whatever this is, stuffed animal, but there's no really call to action or anything like that, right? But when you have an Instagram store, a little tag pops up a little dialog box pops up and it says view product here, or buy the product now. You can literally type in whatever you want this tag to say, and once they click, it takes them to the checkout page for them to be able to buy right then and there, right? Here's just an example of, you know, beauty product. Same thing. They're showcasing this, and it says right here, buy now. So we do have a secret sauce, and this is what I'm most excited about to show you guys. And what is the secret sauce? It's the live shopping experience. If you guys think of like QVC and the Home Shopping Network, I mean, they're trying to sell these gingerbread houses for $75 a piece, right? I'm going to show you how to basically turn your page into a QVC or a Home Shopping Network to have a ton of people look at your product and want to buy right then and there. Okay, so why online shopping? It unlocks a new channel for checkout. It enabled businesses to sell products through their Instagram Live and form deeper connections with people in real time. So we've seen live shopping take off in other parts of the world, said Instagram's vice president of product. The pandemic has really changed the behavior from a consumer perspective, so we're moving as fast as we can to bring out these tools to help. So what Facebook and Instagram are doing is they're really catering to the local market, and this is absolutely fantastic for any local business. So why is Instagram live shopping so effective? Going live on Instagram is one of the best ways to connect with your followers in a direct, transparent, and authentic way. Unlike pre-recorded Instagram stories or IGTV videos, Instagram Live is a totally unedited stream for your followers to tune into and engage with. It's a relatable and personable experience, and when paired with a direct route to shop, Instagram Live creates huge potential for businesses and brands looking for direct sales. So it basically caters to you. And Facebook and Instagram both, when you go live, they love it. And what they do is they prefer you to go live, and then they will basically put you at the top of the feed, top of the Facebook news feed. It's fantastic. They love it. So it's no surprise that Instagram has prioritized Instagram Live, with the platform seeing a 70% increase in live views from February to March this year. So this is absolutely awesome for what's happening right now in the economy. To be able to pivot and move your business online and still sell product like crazy is fantastic. So here is like a live shopping experience. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about turning your business page into a QVC or a Home Shopping Network. So you have this lady here, okay? All she's doing is showing a garment, and all she wants you to do is, if you want to buy, comment sold 101, okay? Sold 101. As you can see here, sold 101, sold 101, sold 1. I mean, it just goes down and down and down, and she has 493 comments. Wow, right? And she is just selling her things out like crazy. And what she's doing is she has this attached to a chatbot. So once they comment sold 101 here, then if you guys don't know what a chatbot is like your 24/7 customer service agent, which will fulfill the order for you. It's absolutely fantastic. That's the power of automation. Here's another lady. Comment sold 113, right? She has 521 comments here and 84 shares. And same thing. She's just showing her product. And this can work for any business. Just show your product. And then we have another lady. Same thing. Just showing the product and selling out like crazy. She has 962 comments, right? And this is just for an example. This is a Detroit furniture store. This guy was just walking around showing a set of furniture. But I mean, look at the comments. This is crazy. You need to be going live and have the live shopping experience. And I'm going to show you here in a second how this is all wrapped together. So what is so awesome about this, okay? So there's groups on Facebook. If you have a product that you can join and then pay them for an hour spot to be able to go live in their group. So there's one, for example, for an hour, they will charge you 75 bucks and you can go live in their group. So let's just say you have a retail store that sells clothes and you're part of some type of closed group on Facebook, and let's say they have 10,000 members. Well, if they're only charging 75 bucks for an hour and you're selling clothes, and that's what that group is about, clothing, and there's 10,000 people in it, once you go live, do you think that you're probably going to sell out? 100%. 100%. You're going to get a ton of people buying. So I showed you some examples, and the bottom line is lives adapt for each type of business. And right now I'm going to show you live how the Facebook Live works. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how powerful this is right now. I'm going to show you how powerful going live and selling your things live is, okay? So I'm going to go over here to the left hand side, it's Marketplace. I'm going to click Marketplace, and I'm going to click Live Shopping, okay? These are people right now selling live. First Lady, holiday BOGO sale. Got 585 people and it's climbing, looking and watching her sell something right now. How would you like for your business to have 582 eyes looking at whatever you're trying to sell? Look, it's up to 616. This is the power of this selling live, right? So I'm going to go down. And there's a ton of people selling live. You got 38 people watching, 9, 6, right? We keep going. This lady has 300, 136, 151, 125. I mean, look at the power of this. I mean, that's just like 151 people walking into your store buying something, but now you're harnessing the power of social media. This is insane. Any business can do this, especially if you're selling things, right? So I click see more. Let's see what else. I mean, wow. I mean, this is just like a shopping experience, just like QVC and the Home Shopping Network, but you're taking it into your own hands and doing it yourself. That's why it's so powerful. And if you guys don't know how to set any of this up, I'd gladly show you how to set this up. That way you can really start selling your inventory and selling out.